So I have painted down some of the best glue ever onto my glass plate, and I've allowed it to get a little tacky, and now I'm taking my silver foil here and I'm just placing it on top, and I'm just going to let it sit there for a minute, and we're going to get a kitty here in a minute to visit, maybe two it looks like. Oh, there she goes. Okay, good. So I am just applying this silver foil with my fingers on top of the best glue ever, and I'm just being generous with the silver foil because I will come back afterwards. You just want to make sure you get a really fine little piece, and I have quite a bit stuck on my fingertips right now. But I want to make sure I've got good coverage everywhere. So you can see I'm just laying the foil down. Don't breathe heavily around it because it will fly away on you. If you have the kind that comes instead of a lump like what I have here, if you have it between kind of pieces of paper, just access a little bit at a time. I had to remove the whole piece out because I needed to get access to the small layers here. Now I know a lot of people apply their leafing with a paintbrush, and I was doing that. I'm going to show you. My paintbrush here started to get sticky from the glue, so I found just being generous with the pieces and placing it on with my fingers was working fine. So now I'm just going back over some spaces I missed. And you may, because here I'm working on glass, I can actually turn this over and see the areas that I've missed.